Hello, fellow foodies, welcome back to Blog in Good Food. Today we have got a treat for you. Easy and delicious snack recipes to make at home. Whether you are looking for healthy snacks, kids-friendly treats, or party favorites, we have got you covered. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about some nutritious and delicious snack recipes healthy. These are perfect for when you need a quick energy boost without compromising your health. Looking to fuel your body with some protein? Check out these protein snacks that are not only tasty but also good for you. For those with a sweet tooth, we have got some mouth-watering snack fruit options. Healthy and naturally sweet, these will satisfy your cravings guilt-free. Now, let's switch gears and explore some fantastic snack recipes for kids. These treats are not only tasty but also kid approved. Kids love snack bars, and you'll love these snack bars healthy recipes that you can whip up in no time. Make snack time fun with creative and colorful ideas that your little ones will adore. Planning a party? Impress your guests with these irresistible snack for party. They are sure to be the life of the party. Organizing snack for a gathering? Get some inspiration for your snack organizer. If you are all about the Instagram-worthy snack table, you will love these snack aesthetic ideas. Need something quick and easy for those busy days? These snacks on the go will keep you energized on the move. Don't forget your work snacks. These snacks for work will keep you focused and satisfied throughout the day. Following a keto diet, we have got some keto-friendly snacks for keto diet that are low in carbs and high in flavor. There you have it, folks, a world of snack ideas to satisfy every craving. From healthy to kid-friendly party, ready to on the go, we have covered it all. Don't forget to visit our website at blogingoodfood.com for the full recipes and more food-related goodness. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Blog in Good Food for more delectable content. Thanks for watching and happy snacking.